Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to export crypto tax report in Webull Pay. So let's start with the first step, which is to open Webull Pay and go to Crypto tab. So launch the Webull Pay application and sign in, and from here tap the Crypto tab from the top menu to see your total crypto value and holdings. So this is the BTC, ETH, SOL, and etc. So tax documents are generated from this account's history. Next is open the menu and tap Tax Documents. So tap the menu in the bottom right, then scroll to Tax Documents. So this section contains your yearly 1099B transactions, CSVs, and export options for TurboTax and Coinly. Next is select the Crypto tab. So on the Tax Documents 2025, switch from Stocks to Crypto tab. And from here, you will see Form 1099B Crypto available and Crypto Transaction History, which is CSV, so both are ready to download once the tax year closes. Next is choose Format and Date Range. So tap Export Crypto Report, pick a format which is PDF 1099B, CSV is Transactions, so TurboTax, TXF, or Coinly compatible. So set the date range, so the default is 1/1/2025 to 12/31/2025, and then tap Export Report. Lastly is download and save your report. Now a green check mark confirms report exported successfully, so you have to tap on Save the Files to store the PDF on your phone, share to email to your accountant, or open in TurboTax to auto-import your crypto gains and losses. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!